Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. We are here in my garage, which is junky, but that's not what we're here for. We are here to clean out my truck. It is a hot mess. I don't know what happened. I used to be really good at keeping my truck like in pristine order, and inside and out it's a mess. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview and then we're gonna start decluttering it, cleaning it out. So we're gonna take it to the car wash and let them do it, and then go ahead and vacuum it afterwards. So if you're interested in seeing me declutter my disgusting truck, keep watching. My garage is not tall enough for me to open my trunk in it, so I have to back it out of the garage to lift the trunk. Anybody else have that problem? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's start with the Yep. So I decided to have my son come out and help get all of his stuff that's in the back seat, because all of this is his. I don't sit in the back seat, I gotta drive. So definitely incorporated him in this car cleanup, because this was not all just on me. I have so many hair ties in here, guys. Hair clips and how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some. All right, you guys, we are on our way to the, what is it called? The car wash, so we can get this bad boy cleaned up, because as you can see, it's plenty dirty. And I'm gonna get the highest wash at the car wash, because this truck is dirty and it needs all of the traction foam and everything that they offer. It needs it all. Get hand dryers. Okay guys, so we're back from my car wash, and I did vacuum. Well, my son and I vacuumed, so that is a stain, but my son, you know, he tried his best and I helped him, and then he hopped in the car, and I'm sure tracks and stuff, but it's way less grit and grime than there was previously on the floors. As you can see, you can't really see because, you know, black on black, but now we're going to go ahead and dust. And so I am using this Swiffer duster, and I just like to shake it up a little bit to fluff it, and then I will use it to go ahead and dust off the dashboard and the wood grain areas and all of that. And then I'm just going to be using good old-fashioned Clorox disinfecting wipes to wipe down the surfaces so that they're clean, and any germs that we had in here when we were sick or anything can all go away. So let's get this started. We are going out as a family. Everybody wave.
Hey y'all!
Yes. I got a cold brew with stevia and half and half because on keto I cannot have
Hot cocoa!
keto friendly drink. Burrito.
Near us. Yeah. Down.
Oh, expensive money. We was trying to get Mama to take us here.
In Seattle.
Ruth's Chris?
Yeah, down.
They have
burgers.
the
They have
bacon
Star.
double Western bacon.
The
Star.
Junior.
Yeah.
Down.
This is a place I want to go to. They do one in Sac. They have them down south.
It's
And
a
they
food
have
that has like
it's like
The
deep,
boiling
like
crab?
no, they have them down south like southern states. They
American
have
cuisine.
yeah, it's like southern
they like
food,
this.
but they're all throughout the south. Okay. It's like our Long John Silver's, but they have it in certain places. I think they have a couple up here too. It's a fish seafood place. It's like Long John Silver's a pass. Oh, this is where they speak Australian, like the Aussie. They have the blooming onion.
Outback?
Yeah, like those times up.
I mean, we already started. Oh, they have these in Vegas, but I don't think you know.
You don't know nothing.
Pass it.
Oh, you guys love these? They're in malls?
Wetzel's, but not Wetzel's. But what's the other one?
Annie's.
Which one?
Auntie Annie's.
There you go.
This is a place your mom knows.
He ain't gonna know that. Go up. The place by Food for Less.
Del Taco.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't say Taco Bell. They are not
By Walmart.
Not
The food place by Walmart in Manteca.
Like Benny's, but
Pancakes.
Pancakes.
Rudy Tooty Fresh and Fruity.
By Walmart, where we pick up Granny sometimes. Just past.
Denny's.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
you go. Oh.
chicken.
Oh, you can't say that. Okay, the Go Cup. Where do we get the Go Cup?
KFC.
Uh-huh.
Sandwich.
Oh, you don't know this. Go pass.
Oh,
Yum.
when you go.
Yum.
Applebee's.
No, it was Red Robin.
Red.
All right, so we are waiting in line to get to the buffet, y'all. Starting over. Hi. Say hey, Jeff.
Hey,
What's the?
Came back for all of this for his dessert. Is this kid serious? What kind of, is that coconut cream, Mama? The pie? How was it? My sister got some dessert. Yeah, you didn't really mess with it. How was that s'mores thing? That's good, huh? Well, I can't have it. You showing the people though. So we just walked out of the buffet.
I did
my
not eat any dessert.
Okay.
I withheld. Right? Did I eat any desserts, y'all?
No. Can I show you my
No
bowl of
desserts.
diabetes?
Keto life. But this kid and his bowl of diabetes.
Yay!
Randomness. I made it. You proud of me? This buffet was bomb. Girl is all in the background dancing. Are you gonna say hi? Say hi.
Hey!
Hi,
Like
say
my
hi,
boy
YouTube.
diabetes.
Their best lives and then get up to the register and got no money.
That's right. Excuse me, sir. Can you put that back? Can you put this back? No, I'm not gonna get that. Oh no, I don't need that. Oh no.